my love. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to just sit down and watch me. It means to me more than you guys will ever know, so thank you for just watching. Today's video is going to be another full face using only e.l.f. You guys really seem to enjoy my last video, which I'll have linked up here. For today's makeup look, as you guys can see, I wanted to show you guys how to do this smoky eye using drugstore products. They are from e.l.f. and e.l.f. is just like, most of their products range from like $1 up to, I don't know. I think the most expensive thing is probably the foundation that I'm going to be using in this video, which is $13. I know that they have bigger size palettes, which are more expensive, but for the most part, I think everything in this video is going to be under $15. So I'll have all the products that I'm using in today's video linked down below in the description box. This video is going to be a voiceover only because I only have 2 hours before I have to go pick up my kids, and I feel like I just get so much more done when I just focus on doing my makeup and not talking so much, because you guys know I talk a lot, and sorry, not sorry. Let's go ahead and jump into today's tutorial.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I decided to pick up this quad eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. and this is only $3. It's called Truffles. And I'm going to start off by using the black shade from this eyeshadow palette. It is matte, but it has some little sparkles in it. I am applying this eyeshadow with a flat packing brush and just depositing all of the pigment onto the eye before I begin to blend everything out. Once you have the intensity that you want the deepest intensity as possible on your eyelid, and then you want to move over to the next dark color, which is that dark deep brown color, and I'm going to be packing this on top of the black shade just at the outer edges, and once it's packed on, you can begin to blend it out. I'm using a fluffy packing brush like this one. This here is from Sigma, and it's the E27 detail blending brush. So now that this color is blended out, I'm moving on to the next brown shade. This is a little bit lighter, and with this one, you want to blend everything out. You want that really nice smoked out, blended out look on your eyes. And to blend out the rest of the eye, I'm using the Sigma 10 soft blending brush. And I'm honestly really impressed with the performance and pigment of these eyeshadows for only $3. You guys can see I'm hardly experiencing any fallout, and they're blending into each other very nice. I always start with my eye makeup first because I don't want any fallout on my face, but like I already said, I wasn't experiencing that, so just to be safe, I always start with my eyes. Now we're going to be moving on to the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to be applying it all over the face, and this one is in the color Sheer. And then we're going to move along to what has become my favorite foundation. This is the Camo CC Cream Color Correcting Full Coverage and Natural Finish foundation from e.l.f. and this has SPF 30. I'm going to be applying it all over the face. I am using the color Medium 375N. This has such a beautiful luminous finish to it. You can set it with some powder just so that in case you do get oily throughout the day. I have combination skin, so I love this foundation because it adds hydration to my face without making it feel super dry. But since I have combination skin, I have to set some areas with powder just to control the areas that are oily on my face. I really love how natural this foundation looks, and not only that, but the undertone to it and everything about it is just to perfection to my skin tone. I really, really love that I found a foundation that is actually my skin tone. And if you missed my first e.l.f. video that I did using Full Face of e.l.f., it was my first time trying the foundation in that video. And what I found out about it is obviously it has a really nice luminous glow. So I wanted to continue to have that luminous glow. So I decided to also pick up the cream contouring palette from e.l.f. I am adding the lightest shade to the inner corner of the eye, and I'm not applying too much because this is a lot lighter than my skin tone, so I'm just applying it to the inner corner just to brighten it up. I'm applying it to my forehead, my chin, and the tip of my nose, and then I'm going to be using the second brown shade, and I'm adding it to the perimeter of my face just to kind of give my face a little bit more dimension. I'm taking a mini sponge and just blending out the areas where I just want to get a little bit more detailed. And then I'm going to use the bigger e.l.f. sponge, which I'll have linked down below. Again, all these products are going to be linked down below in my description box. I'm going to start to work on the contour with the bigger sponge. To emphasize my cheeks, I do want to go in with the lightest shade right underneath the cheek area just to, you know, give that contour look. And I forgot to get a cream blush, which I totally seen at the store, but I don't know, I somehow forgot. And I'm going to just use this ColourPop Cruel Intentions Super Shock Cheek Matte Blush. So this one is, I think it's available on Ulta's website. If not, it's going to be on ColourPop's. But either way, I'm going to have it linked for you guys. I do apply this with a sponge and just push it into my cheeks. And this is really pigmented, so just go really light-handed with it. And then next, I'm going to move along to this other contour palette. This is actually a powder contour palette from e.l.f., which I purchased in my last video, for that last video. And this one, I'm going to use the medium skin tone type of color that's in the palette, this one right here, and I'm going to be applying it to the areas where I do tend to get really oily. I told you guys I was going to show you guys how I'm going to control my oil in that area, and this is how I do it. I also want to focus it right underneath the eye area just so that we don't start to crease down there. And as you guys can see, we kept the luminous finish of our face with just applying it to the areas where we need to control the oil. And I'm going to use the Bite Size Face Duo. This is a highlighter and blush in the color White Peach. I did use this one in my last video as well, but I didn't want to buy another one because the other colors were just not, the highlighters just didn't go with my skin tone. So I'm just using the highlighter from this palette and applying it with a bigger brush just for a more natural finish. I also seen two lip lacquers from e.l.f. and I seen the color Mauve Glitz and Wild Rose, which I thought were so pretty. You can use either one of these for this look. I'm going to show you guys what the color Mauve Glitz looks like anyway, and this one I would wear it with a brown lip liner and just apply this one. I think it would look so pretty, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like on its own. But I decided to go with the color Wild Rose on my lips. While I was at Ulta, I did not see any e.l.f. lip liners, so I just decided to use a drugstore lip liner. You can also find this one at Ulta. This is called the Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner, and this one is in the color Mink. Yeah, it's the color Mink. And then I just topped it off with that gloss called Wild Rose. I made some final decisions to go in with a black eyeliner at my waterline. I'm using this one from Pixi, which is really nice. It glides on really smoothly, and it's a pitch black, which I really like about it. And then I took the dark brown shade from the mini quad palette and I applied it underneath that eyeliner just to kind of smudge it out, whatever you want to call it. I also wanted to put the only shimmer from the palette to use, so I'm going to take this color and apply it to the water duct just to brighten up the eye a little bit more. And then last but not least, I am using my eyelashes. These here are in the style Mesmerized, and these are the same eyelashes that I used in my last e.l.f. video, which I got a lot of questions about. So go ahead and check my description box down below if you guys are interested in shopping this style here. I do provide you guys with a discount code down there in the description box. Once you have applied your eyelashes, you want to go back in with the pencil eyeliner, the same Pixi one that I used, or whatever eyeliner you have, and then just apply some of the eyeliner underneath your lashes just so that it looks really smoked out and you don't see the pink of your skin under there. And that completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this smoky eye that I did. Be sure to give my video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and leave me a comment down below. Like, you can comment anything, leave me an emoji just to let me know you guys watched my video, because you guys can give me a thumbs up, but I won't know it's you. It's just, you know, I would like to know who's watching my videos. That really also helps my videos be seen by other people. And for today's video, I wanted to do a giveaway. I'm trying to do giveaways on a weekly basis here on my channel, and you won't know about it unless you're watching my videos. So because you are still watching my videos, I'm going to share with you guys a couple things I'm going to be giving away for today's video. This is the Insider Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow palette. It looks like this here. I think I do also have a full face using only Revlon. It might be in Spanish. I don't know, maybe I don't have one, and maybe I should do one. I'll have it linked up above if I do have it, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, this is the palette that I'm going to be giving away in today's video. And I'm also going to be giving away this nail polish here. This is the, I think you pronounce it Easy or Essie nail polish. And this one is in the color In a Flash Sale. And this is a really pretty burnt orange, kind of. Not super orange, just more toned down. But this is what it looks like. And I'm also going to be giving away this Pop Beauty Extra Lit Bee Shot. This is an exfoliating serum. And if you would like to win these 3 products, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and leave me a comment down below with these emojis right over here. In order to enter this giveaway, you do have to be a United States resident. This giveaway will end on May the 1st, and I'll announce the giveaway winner in the first video that I upload in the first week of May. So just make sure you guys are tuning into my videos. I don't have a schedule, so just make sure you're watching my videos in that first week so that you know whether you won or not. I will leave you guys with some of my latest uploads linked right over here so you can continue to hang out with me if you'd like. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!